Hey there, I'm Steve. Today, we're about to take you inside one of the most jaw-dropping billionaire mansions ever built, a $250 million palace that redefines luxury living. But here's the twist. Hidden within its opulent walls are secret rooms and features that most people would never guess exist. You won't believe what's behind some of these doors. So, make sure you stick around, because this tour is about to get mind-blowing. Imagine stepping through a grand entrance lined with towering marble columns, greeted by a massive crystal chandelier sparkling above. The foyer alone is larger than most entire homes. As you move further in, you're met with floor-to-ceiling windows offering panoramic views of the sprawling private estate. And that's just the beginning. But wait, here's something most visitors never notice. Concealed within the foyer's ornate paneling is a hidden passageway. Intrigued? You should be. We'll get to that soon. The living room is a masterpiece of modern design and traditional elegance. With plush leather seating, custom-made furniture, and priceless artwork adorning the walls, it feels more like an exclusive gallery than a living space. And speaking of exclusivity, one of the paintings actually conceals a biometric scanner. Curious about where it leads? We'll reveal that in just a bit. Let's move on to the dining hall, where a 24-seat handcrafted mahogany table takes center stage, surrounded by walls covered in rare silk wallpaper. The room is set for formal dining, but it has a fascinating secret. A section of the floor opens up to reveal a temperature-controlled wine cellar, stocked with vintages worth millions. But here's the kicker. The cellar isn't just for storing wine. It holds something far more surprising. Any guesses? Keep watching, and you'll find out. Now, the mansion's kitchen is nothing short of a culinary wonder. It features state-of-the-art appliances, a marble-topped island stretching over 20 feet, and a dedicated chef's suite. But what truly sets it apart is the walk-in pantry. Not because of its size, but because of its hidden function. Behind a rotating shelf lies a fully equipped private tasting room. Imagine hosting a secret gourmet experience without ever leaving your kitchen. But trust me, that's not the most astonishing feature here. Moving on, let's talk about the bedrooms. Each one is a luxurious retreat, complete with custom lighting, expansive walk-in closets, and ensuite bathrooms fit for royalty. However, the master suite stands in a league of its own. Beyond the plush bedding and gold-accented decor, there's an entire hidden wing accessible only through a mirror that doubles as a secret door. Behind it lies a private spa, equipped with a sauna, a massage parlor, and a meditation room designed for total escape. But what's a billionaire mansion without some entertainment? The home theater rivals those found in Hollywood. Plush reclining seats, a cutting-edge sound system, and a screen that stretches from wall to wall. But there's a twist. The theater also functions as a panic room. Reinforced doors can lock down the space instantly, and an underground passageway connects it directly to a fortified bunker. Safety and luxury in one place. That's true billionaire ingenuity. Now let's head outdoors. The estate features meticulously manicured gardens, infinity pools, and even a helipad for quick getaways. But there's one area that most guests never see. An underground vault disguised as a garden shed. Inside are priceless collectibles and family heirlooms, guarded by cutting-edge security measures. It's almost like something out of a spy movie. Still with me? Good, because the most impressive secret is yet to come. This mansion isn't just a statement of wealth, it's a fortress of privacy. One of the most unexpected features is an entire underground level, hidden even from aerial views. It houses a private nightclub, complete with a dance floor, DJ booth, and a cocktail bar. Access is granted only through a coded fingerprint scanner, making it one of the most exclusive party spots imaginable. But that's not all. Remember the biometric scanner behind the painting? It unlocks a personal vault, storing not just valuables, but rare artifacts collected from around the world. Imagine having your own private museum, showcasing centuries of history hidden in plain sight. Now you're probably wondering, how much does maintaining such a masterpiece cost? The answer might shock you. It's not just about the price tag, it's about the lifestyle. Stay tuned, because the numbers are coming up in the next part. and they're as extravagant as the mansion itself. The upkeep of a $250 million mansion isn't just expensive, it's a lifestyle commitment. The monthly maintenance alone can reach hundreds of thousands of dollars. From landscaping and security to staff salaries and utility bills, it all adds up. Just think about it. Maintaining those lush gardens and elaborate water features requires a dedicated team of horticulturists and pool technicians. Not to mention, keeping the mansion spotless involves a fleet of housekeepers working around the clock. And then there's security. This isn't just any mansion, it's a billionaire's fortress. The property is equipped with a state-of-the-art surveillance system, including motion detectors, infrared cameras, and biometric locks. Private security personnel patrol the grounds day and night, and their salaries alone can cost tens of thousands per month. But here's the kicker. The mansion's security system is so advanced that it can detect even the smallest movement from over a mile away. Still, despite all these precautions, there's one security flaw that even the owner might not be aware of. Curious? We'll get to that soon. Now, when it comes to utilities, we're talking about a whole different scale. Heating, cooling, and lighting a mansion of this size can easily rack up a five-figure bill each month. The custom lighting system alone, designed to showcase the artwork and create ambient moods, requires constant maintenance. Plus, the luxurious heated flooring throughout the house doesn't come cheap, especially in colder months. But there's a surprising secret about how this mansion reduces its energy costs. Intrigued? Keep watching. One of the most extravagant expenses is the art collection. Many of the paintings and sculptures displayed throughout the mansion aren't just decoration. They're investments. Some pieces are rotated periodically to maintain their value and keep the collection fresh. But transporting and insuring these masterpieces requires logistics worthy of a small museum. In fact, one painting alone is worth more than some entire homes. And there's a hidden room where the most valuable items are stored when the owner is traveling. You'll never guess where it's located. Let's talk about the automotive collection. In the underground garage, yes, underground, sits a lineup of some of the world's most expensive cars. We're talking Bugattis, Rolls-Royces, Lamborghinis, all meticulously maintained and polished. The garage itself is a marvel of design, featuring temperature control and an automated detailing bay. But here's the twist. One of the cars isn't actually drivable. It's a custom-built piece made entirely for display, worth millions, yet it has never hit the road. Why? There's an interesting story behind that. The mansion's private gym and wellness center are next level, complete with state-of-the-art fitness equipment, a yoga studio, and an indoor lap pool. It's designed for peak physical performance, but what sets it apart is the dedicated cryotherapy chamber, a luxury feature most fitness enthusiasts can only dream of. The chamber's maintenance and liquid nitrogen supply come with a hefty price tag. And that's not even counting the personal trainers and wellness experts who visit regularly. There's a reason why even the wealthiest prioritize their health, and this setup is proof of that. When it's time to entertain, the mansion transforms. The outdoor terrace, overlooking the expansive property, features a massive fire pit and a gourmet outdoor kitchen. During private events, celebrity chefs are flown in to prepare customized meals. And the poolside cabanas? They're equipped with smart technology to adjust temperature and lighting based on the guests' preferences. There's even a hidden audio system embedded in the landscape, creating an immersive sound experience. You can be lounging by the pool and feel like you're in a private concert. One of the most mind-blowing features is the underground vault, cleverly disguised as a wine cellar. The door, made to look like a wine rack, conceals a reinforced entryway that opens with a retinal scan. Inside, rare collectibles, priceless artifacts, and even confidential documents are stored. It's designed to withstand natural disasters and forced entry. But here's the twist. The vault itself is mobile. In case of emergencies, it can be detached and transported to a secure location. How's that for next-level security? Perhaps the most surprising element of the mansion is its integration with AI. The entire estate is managed by a central system that controls lighting, climate, security, and even entertainment with simple voice commands. The AI learns the owner's preferences over time, anticipating needs before they're even expressed. Imagine waking up to your favorite music playing softly, the blinds opening to reveal the sunrise, and your coffee brewing automatically. That's the everyday reality in this mansion. So what drives someone to live in a place like this? It's not just about showing off wealth. For many billionaires, it's about creating a sanctuary where they can relax, work, and entertain in absolute privacy and comfort. While it may seem excessive to some, for those who can afford it, this level of luxury is simply part of their lifestyle. If you found this glimpse into the billionaire lifestyle fascinating, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We'll continue exploring the world's most luxurious properties and the secrets they hold. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.